We are trying to figure out if the hundredths digit of x, which is this number here, look here, I've acted like I'm adding two numbers. This is y, 3-digit positive number, and this is z plus z, and that gives me x down here, okay? Now, I'm trying to figure out if the hundredths digit of x, which is here, is equal to this number plus this number. And it's all going to depend on when you add this number plus this number, do you have to carry a number over to the hundredths? For example, if this is a 6 and this is a 5, this would be 11, but you carry a 1. Okay? That's what it's going to depend on. So look at clue 1. Let me erase this because I made those numbers up. The tens digit of x, which is the tens digit of x, is here. That's that yellow right there. The tens digit of x is equal to the sum of the tens digits of y and z. All right, so that means there was not anything to carry. So we didn't carry anything over, so that means that this number plus this number will give you that number. So clue 1 works. Now let's look at clue 2. Clue 2, units digit of x here is equal to the sum of the units digits of y and z. That one plus that one. Well, that doesn't tell me anything because I need to know about the tens digit on whether I have to carry anything or not. So, and if you put both of those, well, clue 1 worked. We stopped there. Your answer is A. Done.